The Great Salt Lake is home to birds, boats, and tourism. It's also the largest saline lake in the Western Hemisphere, but researchers say it's shrinking.
We know this is a problem worldwide.
The researchers say it's high water use that has forced the Great Salt Lake to lose about 11 feet of water over the past 160 years. And that's quite a lot, because that's not just 11 feet of water right here, but 11 feet of water spread out across miles and miles of lake. And the researchers say that's decreased the overall size of the Great Salt Lake by about 50%.
If you go out there to the lake, you're looking out across Farmington Bay at expanses of mud and sand. So in some ways it's worse than 50% if you look at those areas.
One of the main causes of the problem, Wurtzbaugh says, is from population growth.
We're going to need more and more water, and with more and more water, the lake's going to go down, down, down.
Wurtzbaugh also says that agriculture's use of the available water surrounding the Great Salt Lake is a big factor. The Weber, Jordan, Provo, and Bear rivers all feed into the lake, and according to the USGS, in the counties where those rivers run through, Box Elder, Cache, Davis, Rich, Morgan, Weber, Summit, Salt Lake, Utah, and Wasatch, almost all of the available water, with the exception of Salt Lake County, is diverted for agricultural use, while the remaining 19 counties average an 88% diversion rate to farming as well. However, another expert says that doesn't quite explain the whole problem.
One thing about the Great Salt Lake is when you have a lot of water, it gets larger, so there's a lot more consumptive use to it. And when it's small, there's a lot less consumptive use.
But if the problem persists, Wurtzbaugh says, northern Utah may lose out on the $1.32 billion that is generated from the Great Salt Lake. That number primarily comes from the $1.1 billion salt and mineral industries that use the lake, as well as $136 million from recreation and $57 million from the brine shrimp industry.
We've got these environmental issues, we have human health issues, conservation can solve a lot of these problems. We just kind of have the will.